thick, she's nasty, she's heavy on the kink.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, fresh out the shower to give you guys a new one from Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you, baby. We are back with the unit from Nadula Hair, excuse me. I'm excited to get into this one. What I've been doing lately is a lot of color, as you can see, okay? A lot of color. And I wanted to come on through and really dig on into this unit. I'm also glad we got her. This unit is in 20 inches. So let me give you the details of her, okay? This is the Nadula Kinky Honey Highlight Wig, okay? It's a 13x4 lace front with Swiss lace. Get on into her. She has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever, as well as a band, which leads me to believe that we can wear this glueless, which I like. I like a lot, okay? So I might even attempt to wear this glueless. This unit is really pretty, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get her picked on out. I think she needs to come on out a bit. Obviously, it's not meant for you to wear, you know, Jerry curl. It's not meant for you to wear it like that. So we definitely need to make sure we go in and just get her so we can have our little moment with her, you know? I was trying to think about how I want to style her. But before I do that, let's dig on into what Nadula Hair so graciously sent us over as a gift for purchase. Nadula Hair came through with the Nadula branded robe, okay? Which we absolutely positively love. She's branded down to the mammy tap and socks, okay? Robe. We got some nails, okay? Always need those. We have our lace band, branded Nadula. We have our Nadula wig bag, okay? Some wig caps. And then we also have this little goodie bag filled with eyelashes. Excuse me, can you see that? Eyelashes. This is a makeup brush. Another lace band and a wig cap. So let me get this unit on together, okay? Give me a minute. I'm gonna get her together, shut my mouth, and I'm gonna see you guys on the other side. Okay guys, I will be wearing this unit completely glueless. Let's dig into this Nadula Kinky Curly Honey Blonde Highlight 13x4 lace frontal wig. This unit I have in 150% density, and she's going for, at 20 inches, just about $177. So this is actually a really relatively inexpensive unit. Like I said, we're moving into that sale time for Nadula.com, where you can get the units that you love for a fraction of the cost. I'm just going to go on through and really kind of figure out what I want to do with this unit. Now, I want to be honest, the texture of this hair, when I first pulled her out, I was a little bit like blown away. So I said, you know what we're going to do? Let's go in and make sure we can get her. We want to kind of tone her down a bit. So I'm going to use the shade Moisture Curl Frizz Control Mousse, and I'm going to use some water, and I'm just going to go in sections and comb this unit on out. Now, I found that when she was dry without any product, I did experience a bit of tangling, but as I began to add the product, I feel like I got less and less of that. So I'm using my big wide tooth comb. I'm going through with the water and the mousse, okay, and just going through and working the product throughout the unit. Now again, this unit is really relatively big hair friendly. I did have her a bit Wakanda Forever in the back. She is glueless, okay? Because when you have a unit with this much volume, this much going on, you don't need to do too much to her. You know what I mean? So I'm just going through and giving her the respect that she deserves. Now, I would say that if you are looking for something this natural in this color, because this color is amazing, honey, you got to go and grab her. Now, I'm going to shut my Mimi Tap mouth and we'll get into the rest of this video. All right, my loves, so I'm back. I am here with this unit from Nadula Hair. This is a kinky curly unit. And when they say heavy on the kink, okay? She's thick, she's nasty, she's heavy on the kink, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So this unit did take some love, sex, and magic to get her to this point. So what I did is, this is just water. I know it says HSI argan oil, but it really is just water in here. And then I used the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Fizz-Free Curl Mousse. This, let me tell you something. Always Samira, the most beautiful. I was having some issues with this unit. I almost never look at anybody else's reviews because I don't want to be swayed or anything like that. I want to kind of give like what my actual impression is. But I was wrestling with her. Wrestling with her. And I just was like, I'm not feeling this, right? And honestly, I didn't even have any mousse. I wanted the mousse, but I didn't have any. So I just ended up watching Samira's video because I'm like, I'm curious how she got the curls to look so nice and juicy and love and sexy magic-y. Mama said, go get you some Shea Moisture. So what I did was I ran to the Target in the middle of the night. This is a true Mimi Tappan story. Last night, I'm sitting on the couch. Joe just left for tour. So I'm like home alone and I ain't gotta cook, I ain't gotta clean, I ain't gotta be a housewife. So I'm just sitting here and I'm like, let me go to Target. Why? Because when I'm bored, I spend money. I don't know what do y'all do when you're bored? What do y'all do when you're bored? Because when I'm bored, I spend money. And I said, you know what? Let me go get this mousse and I'm gonna do this again. This is a true story. This is the third time I filmed this. But I wanted it to be right. I didn't want to be like, give this opinion of it and I was doing it incorrectly. Does that make sense? So, baby. Number one, she's glueless. Glueless. Completely glueless, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Glueless. Glueless, okay? That's number one. Number two, after I put, this is not even giving it like the crunchy vibe, which I love. This hair feels so soft. Now out the pack, it was very apparent to me that you can wear her two ways. If you're like the bohemian hippie chic and you like the big sexy hair, baby, wear her big. You could just, you know, use your wide tooth comb her out, and then you can give her the big look like I gave you previously. Or if you just think you just like a little bit more control over your units, and that was the issue I was having. I'm a control freak. I'm a Virgo. Okay. I needed to do something where I can get it the way that I wanted it to look. And this combination, thank you to her, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. And sometimes that's what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta go back and get trained yourself, okay? And that's what I did. And I'm glad we did it because I feel like now I can give you an actual review on this unit. Now I love the unit. If you would have heard what I said about this unit, if you would have heard what I said about this unit prior to, I was like annoyed. And that's just the truth. But now taking my time, using the Shea Moisture mousse, you know what I mean, and some water. This is how I like to have control, and I like to be able to make sure if it's a curly unit, I want the curls to curl. I want the curls to curl. So let me turn around so you can see the back. Okay. Let me know what y'all think. All right, y'all told me I'd be moving my head too fast in the back. I heard you, Pud. I heard you. Okay. So now this is her all to the front. Obsessed. The lace on this unit is impeccable, okay? The texture of the hair, once wet, is more my speed. I feel like when she's, you know, all, you know, young, wild, and free, she is just that young and wild and free, okay? So you do with that with what you want. But she does give a little bit of a, the texture isn't as soft at all. This is a big hair friendly unit. Okay, very big hair friendly. It does have the adjustable band in the back. So for me, she feels really snug on my head right now, which I love. I love that they had the band in the back because then it gave me the potential to wear this curly unit glueless. Chef's kiss. Now, I'm all right, excuse me, y'all. First of all, where are my nails? Oh, God. It's chaotic over here if y'all cannot tell. What I'm basically trying to say is, check out Nadula.com. They are coming through with a sale that is going to blow your mind. I really want to get you guys ramped up, excited about it, because they are about to come and kick us in the throat with the prices. Okay, and if you like this unit, take a look at the color, how beautiful she is. They always have a host of gifts that they give out. Look at that color. Go on here, sis. I see what I had to say. I came and did the thing, and I did the thing, and I did the thing, and I did the thing for y'all. Cause I want y'all to know I'm a real one. Like if it's me, it's me. This time around it was me, and I was gonna make sure I took my time and got it right for you. Cause we good girlfriends. That's what girlfriends do. So bust down. I'm your girl Intisar. Eleanor, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you do when you're born. I shop. Okay. I spend money when I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm bored, everything. I'm hungry, everything. I'm shopping. And I'll see you mother jumpers on the other side. Bye.